Example 9. Develop the surface of the cylinder as shown in figure A. So this is the figure A. This is a cylinder because it is mentioned here in the question. It is a cylinder and you can see a hole, central hole inside the cylinder. You can observe the given data is here. Height, axis height is 65 mm, base diameter will be 30 mm, and this whole diameter is 20 mm, which we have to place at the center. So in this question, we are given a figure already. Let's just consider this as a front view of the cylinder, which will be rectangular. So in some questions, even it will not mention that it is going to be a cylinder. Only the questions will provide the front view and top view. With that, we have to imagine that it is a cylinder or cone. So here, luckily, we got cylinder. So we have to imagine this as a cylinder and a hole passing through it. And then we have to develop the surface. So I'll show you now first how to imagine this. So on your screen, you are having a cylinder now. Just see it and assume this cylinder to be hollow as we are always assuming this. So I'll delete the top base and bottom base so that you will be able to imagine this hollow portion easily. And one more, the bottom base also. So as you can see, that this is the only surface which have been left, and if we develop this surface we will get the rectangle as we have seen in the previous problems of cylinder. But here in this question a central hole is given, so I have to make a central hole in this cylinder. So as you can see here, I'll just bring in this rod. You do not worry about all these things, just I am making a central hole. You need to make sure while drawing that you should place this hole at the center of this solid. It is nowhere mentioned in the question or in the diagram, but you have to assume that it is passing through the center. So as now you can see that there will be two holes on this surface, one from visible from the front and other from the back. And when you view this, it is actually not a hole. Something elliptical portion is there. When we develop this surface, we will be able to see that. So now just we'll log this final position, and from this position I will develop the surface of this cylinder. You need to observe that after developing this surface, these holes will appear as ellipses, because now from this position you can observe the holes are on the surface of this cylinder. That is why they are not circular, because it is made with curved portion. So I'll cut this portion and I will open this here. Now you can see that it is getting developed. Just we are unfolding it, and now you can observe the holes which are becoming elliptical in shape. So this is going to be our final developed surface of this cone, of this hole, of this cylinder with inside hole. Now on your left side screen, that is the cylinder given, and this on the right side the developed surface. Now we'll see how to draw this. The top view will be circle, and now observe that I am going to draw this with 2H pencil, because this is not part of the solution. Now we have the top view and front view of the cylinder. I will project this line to start developing the surface, which is just a rectangle. So this is your developed surface of the cylinder. But here there is a central hole in this question. So we need to first draw that. As the hole is central, we need to take the half distance 65 by 2, that is 32.5 first. 31, 32, 32.5. And also the hole diameter is given as, in the question it is given as 20 mm. So I need to take radius of 10 mm. I have to measure a radius of 10 mm. And this will be your hole of 20 mm diameter at the center of this cylinder. This is the given question. Now when we open this, we will get some shapes here which will not be circular. Just imagine. So for that we need more points. If we project this circle, this okay, we will get only 2 points. But if we have more points, then we will get beautiful shapes. So for that reason, I will divide this circle again into equal number of parts. Let's say 12. Again, you know, to divide the circle into 12 equal parts, we need each part distance to be 30 degree. So this is actually there. And I will number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and its projections. One dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash. This is again 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. So as we did in exercise number 7, I am doing same. I am dividing this straight line which we have taken with the circumference pi d, that is 94.2, into 12 equal parts. For that, now I am just taking 6 centimeter line just to show you. Join these two figures, these 2 points, the last point and this last point, and at this line at 0.5 centimeter mark lines. Earlier in 7th exercise, we have taken the full length of 12 centimeter at 1 centimeter each. But as we have taken now 6 centimeter, to get into 12 parts, I am taking 0.5, that is 5 mm only. And as we have joined this last point and this last point, we need to set the drafter, and then again we will get this line divided into 12 equal parts.
Now this is divided into 12 parts. Now for the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it has deflected somewhat. Don't worry. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 again. This should be of equal distances. It's not looking at equal distances. Not worry. I've made a little mistake here. Sorry for that. And so I will project point C here. This is the first generator and there is no point of this circle which is touching the first generator. So leave it. This is the second generator and the 12th also, and there is no point of this circle which is touching this circle. But here you can see that this is 3 and 11. These two are touching this circle here. So I am projecting this from here and here, which means that find here 3. This is the 3. This is the third generator and this is the third here. Mark a point here. Then the 11th generator is here, 11th one is here in this fashion. This is 3 and 3. And now see that this is the fourth generator. This is the fourth generator, it is touching it here. So at the fourth point I need to take point here and here also. One more point here and here. Similarly, this is fifth and ninth point. So you will get point, 1 point here and 1 point here. This is the center line. See that one more point should come, which is this point. This is 9th and this is 9th. So it is touching it here. So you will get a one more shape here as ellipse, but for that you need this extra portion also. So I am taking as it is in between the 2 and 3 dash, I am taking it in between the 2 and 3 dash, and this point is in between 5 and 6, 8 and 9. So this is 8 and 9, in between 8 and 9. Similarly here and here, between 11 and 12 and between 5 and 6. Because you can observe here, this is 5, this is 6, in between one more point. So with free hand, we will get actually smooth ellipse here. And I will darken these portions because this is our actual answer.
So this is the final solution of our example number 9. If a cylinder is having hole inside, when you develop the surface, it will be two ellipses, because if this hole is visible from this side and this is through hole, so if this is visible from the front, from the back also one more hole will be visible. So that would form an ellipse like shape because this is a cylinder, and you can see the final surface developed here.